Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. In this video, we will study about the genetic transformation and the method, that is agrobacterium gene transfer. So let's start with what is genetic transformation. Genetic transformation is basically the genetic constitution of a plant that can be altered by a laboratory process called transformation, whereby a segment of DNA is introduced which enters the plant chromosome. A single cell is transformed and regenerate into completely fertile plant by tissue culture. The steps are given below. We isolate the clone, that is the gene of interest, and then add a DNA segment to initiate the gene transfer. Then we add a selectable marker to it, that is transformation, and the selected transformed cells regenerate into a whole new plant. So that is how genetic transformation takes place. To achieve genetic transformation in plants, we need vectors, promoters, and terminator. The methods used for gene transfer can be vector mediated, that is by agrobacterium, or vectorless, that can be in the form of microinjection, electroporation, particle gun bombardment, conjugation, or lipoification. So in this video, we will study in detail about vector mediated method, that is by agrobacterium, that is an indirect method. Agrobacterium is a gram-negative bacteria that is rod-shaped and is motile and is found in rhizosphere. They are involved in causing crown gall formation disease in plants. They can also cause plant tumor. They have the ability to transfer bacterial genes into the plant genome. They contain Ti plasmid, which can transfer tDNA region into the genome of the host plant. There are two important genes, that is Ti and Vir genes. Ti are tumor inducing genes, and Vir genes are also located, which produces a set of proteins that are responsible for excision, transfer, and integration of tDNA into the plants. This is the diagram. Now let's first study in flowchart what basically happens. The signaling molecule goes and binds to Vir-A genes that activates Vir-G genes that in turn activates the Vir box. Now the T strand gets produced and the T component is exported into the host. A copy of it is made in the T complex is formed. Now where D2, where E, C1 and C2 complex guides the DNA to move from the cytoplasm of bacteria to the plant through channel. Now let's study this process in detail. The very first step in the process is signal recognition. Now in this diagram you can see I've drawn a cytoplasm, a nucleus. Now let's start. The wounded plant cell releases certain chemicals called as phenolics, and where A senses phenolics and activates where G. This activated where G induces expression to all where genes, that is activates where box. Where G induces expression of where G genes of Ti plasmids and activates to all where genes. Now the tDNA are identified by where D1 and where D2 protein complex, and where D2 produces single-stranded DNA that goes and gets integrated into the nucleus. So now I have explained the whole process through the diagram. Now in the upcoming slides I have written each and every step in detail, and everywhere gene has a specific function. You can just go through my notes and then you'll be able to understand the process very well. In the end, in nucleus, the tDNA finally gets integrated into the plant genome, and that repairs the wounded cell. Now every gene has a specific function, like where A are phenolic sensors. They are used for phosphorylation and they activate where G genes. Now where G genes are transcriptional factors. They are responsible for where gene expression. Where E2 genes, they are single-stranded binding protein. They prevent tDNA degradation by nucleus and they're involved in nuclear targeting. So you can just use my notes, and for understanding I have explained through the diagram as well. And do draw the diagram. This question is a must and it surely comes in exams, so do not leave this part. I hope you're clear with the mechanism of agrobacterium gene transfer. If you like the video, guys, then do like, share, and subscribe. For any other query, do comment and let me know. Thank you.